So my brand new 2022 Ducati Multistrada V4S Full Sport. First thing to do, get rid of all of these stickers. Take photographs of anything that you think might be important, like the VIN number and stuff, showing this is a 2022 model for instance, and then get rid of those. I was here, fortunately my bike had a lot of these little green stickers on it all over the place on the TFT and here and there, and in addition to the little green stickers, see these little yellow marks everywhere as well. And what that tells me is my bike was properly quality controlled, probably got pulled off the production line, had a proper audit inspection on this, given green dots when electronics are working properly, and given little yellow dashes where they've inspected and checked torque figures for those nuts and bolts, etc. So quite reassuring. What I'm going to use to get rid of the stickers is this little Wagner heat gun, and I particularly like this heat gun, if I can do it one-handed, because it's got a little stand clamp, so if you want to heat something above it, it's good. So if you're doing some you know, PPM vinyl wrapping as a protection film for your bike or something, you can use both hands above it to heat, or you can just use it as a regular heat gun. It's pretty powerful, so you have to be careful with it. If you don't have one, just use a hairdryer on the hottest setting, stay a few inches away from the stickers, just go up and down to heat it, and then gently peel it off with a finger, and don't use anything sharp, no scrapers, anything like that. You will leave fine marks afterwards. Apart from that, should be fairly easy, so I'm going to get on with it. Now sometimes the sticker will come off, but it will leave a bit of sticky residue, and I find the simplest thing to get rid of that is just a goof off wipe, a heavy duty wipe, and that will get rid of the sticky residue. If you haven't got any of that, just some WD-40 on a clean rag, and then just wipe it down, and a bit of elbow grease, and it should come off. There we go, a nicely finished bike with no factory stickers. Beautiful.
Hey you, if you want to become one of the Ride On people, don't forget to subscribe. Ride often, ride carefully, ride on.